are you everyone? I hope you all are fine and stay at home. Dear students, I welcome you again in grade 7. So today we are going to start our second session of the number system. Students, as we studied about our first chapter, that is the number system. So previously we studied about four types of number system, that is the binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So our decimal number system contains digits from 0 to 9 and its base is the 10. Second one is the binary number system. It consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1, and its base is 2. Our third type of number system is the octal number system. It contains digits from 0 to 7 and its base is 8. Our last type of number system is the hexadecimal number system. It contains the digits from 0 to 15 and its base is the 16. Dear students, decimal number system consists digits from 0 to 9 and its base is 10. So in the hexadecimal contains digits from 0 to 9. Here the 0 to 9 will remain the same, but we can write 10 as a 11 as a B, 12 as a C, 13 as a D and 14 as a E and 15 represents as a F. Students, our next topic is that is conversion of decimal number system into binary number system. Students, as we know that decimal 0 shows that binary is also a 0. Decimal number 2 shows that its value is a 10 in binary number system. 3 shows its value as a 11. 4 shows its value as a 100. And 5 shows its value as in a binary number system is a 101. And 6 shows its value as a binary number system is the 110. And student, this values go so on from further. Start. Dear students, we should know that decimal 0 is similar to the binary number 0 and same as the decimal 1 is similar to the binary number 1. And next one is the 2 becomes similar to the binary number 10, 3 becomes similar to the binary number 11, 4 becomes similar to the binary number 10 and 5 decimal number is similar to the binary number 101. So dear students, now how we calculate this, let's see. Here there is a one sum that we can convert the decimal number into a binary system. Here I can take the 2. So 2 is in decimal number and we have to calculate its binary number. So we have to take a LCM. So binary number system have a base 2. So we have to divide it with a 2. So 2 ones are 2 and remainder is the 0. Then we have to write remainder in the right side. So dear students, we have to write remainder in the right side again. So we have to divide by 2 it again. Now we have to divide again and again. Now we will got the quotient, that is the 0. Now afterwards that 2 can't divide by the 1. So quotient is 0 and remainder is the 1. So now how to write the digits? We have to go on from top to the bottom to write the remainder value. So dear students, we have to go from bottom to the top to find out the answer. So we have to write the answers in this way, that 1 and 0. So this is the answer of the question. So dear students, now I am taking a next number, that is, and we have to find the binary of this number. Now in the same way we have to take a LCM of the 25. Now how we can solve this sum? That 2 12s are 24 and remainder is 1. Then again we can divide it with the 2. 2 6 are 12 and remainder is the 0. Same we can divide it. 2 3s are 6 and remainder is 0. Again we can solve this. 2 1s are 2 and remainder is the 1. Now then again we can't divide the 1, so we can write it as a 2 0 and 1. Why? Because I can't divide by 2, so it becomes a 0, so we can write it as a remainder. So to find the answer of these questions, then we have to go from the bottom